Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of an item that I purchased online. I know I said that my Neo Noe was going to be my last purchase of 2020, but I just couldn't help myself. So let's unbox and see what I got. So it came by UPS, which I never got like an email for, so it was sort of a surprise yesterday when it showed up. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and unbox this. This first part is always like a little, wow, this time was easy. Okay, so, let's see. So it is from Louis Vuitton, and it comes with all the packaging, ribbon, and everything, all that good stuff. With the ribbon, here we're going to show that. So, wow, oh, well, there. Okay, I was gonna say they really tied it on there. Okay, so. Go. And it just has the card with all the stuff. And so we will go ahead and open it. Okay, here we are. From the little dust bag, like everything. Ta-da! Little box. I just adjusted my camera real fast, so here it is, a little dust bag. And what I got is the Kirigami pouches in the monogram. So I got this, and here, of course, is the first pouch with the rose ballerine color. So the second pouch. So cute. And of course, the mini baby one. And really, I think I feel more comfortable taking this one out as a clutch more than my Toiletry 26, just because right now it is fall and it's like on and off rainy here. Like it just like randomly shows up. So I'm a little like wary to take my toiletry pieces out just because it does have that little piece of a shed on it, and I don't want that to get damaged by the rain or anything. So I haven't been really using those pieces as clutches. I used them a lot in the summer when I got them, but now that it's getting rainy, I put those ones back in their boxes just because I don't want them to get damaged by the rain. But these ones, I was like, perfect. I can use these as clutches. Yeah, and I like the pink color. I think it adds a little something. Like, again, I do wish it was red inside, but no problem. And I can just carry it like that. So I'm reshooting this portion of the video because when I went to go edit, it was like totally blurry. So here we go. And I definitely have been using this larger pouch as a clutch or a catch-all. But right now we are on lockdown here in France. So the only places that we really go are like the grocery store or for our 1 hour daily walk. So I, of course, haven't been carrying anything really. So I've just been using this when we go out for our walk, and it's been working out really well. So for instance, like I haven't been wearing any makeup, so I don't need my blotting powder, but I do have my insert from my Felici. This houses just my loyalty cards, some cash, coins, and like the wipes for my glasses, my card holder, my hand sanitizer, some lotion, my Chanel Le Boy lip balm. I can fit some gum in here, as well as some tissue. So I can put that in the back. And our mask. And everything closes really well. Yeah, so that is like everything that I carry on a daily basis now. Just super minimal, nothing too exciting, but everything does fit, so I'm really happy about that. It actually really, out of all the 3 pouches, this red one, it was the one I was most excited about just because I love that red interior. A lot of people were saying that they were going to be using this like as a cosmetics pouch, but I was really thinking I could use this as more of a wallet because I know I can fit some coins, cash, and like a card holder. So I brought some stuff just to test it out. So I have like my YSL card holder, fits in there no problem. So let's see, I have some coins because we carry, we buy a lot with coins. So we have that. We have, in case we go to the grocery store, we have our little loyalty cards. So I did grab some cash that I had just laying around. This is $4, so 4 bills. And of course, it'll fit inside no problem. So you have like some cash, my card holder, some coins, and our loyalty cards. And it fits like really well inside, and it fits really comfortable as a clutch for me. Yeah, so I was really excited for this one, this medium one, because it looks so cute. So I would definitely use this as a cosmetics pouch as well. And the stuff that I carry normally, like on a daily basis, would fit in here no problem. Like my YSL blotting powder, my Chanel Le Boy lip balm, a Kim Kardashian lip gloss, and 2 lip maximizers would fit inside, no worries. And it closes perfect. No bulge, no anything. And I can just slip this inside one of my bags, and if I need it, I can easily grab it. So everything works out well. Looks good. And of course we have the baby peas, which is so cute. So I do have 10 cards here, and they do fit inside really well, like no problem. And my casino card. And we have, so I have 12. So I have 12 in here, and they fit pretty well. They fit comfortably. There's no bulk really. I think they work out well. But I wouldn't, like normally, I don't carry that many cards. I probably carry a total of 4, 5 at the most. So in reality, like, yeah, I carry maybe 4 or 5 cards. And I can also fit some cash. This is $4, 4 whole dollars right there. That fits inside, no problem. You do have to roll them up. And I do have some coins. Let's see. Some coins, and of course some coins fit inside, no problem. And it closes, and it looks pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, so I mean that works. That works well as a little wallet as well. But yeah. I'm definitely going to, like, after I'm done filming, like, go, like, play around with all my different accessories and everything, just to see how everything works out. And I'll definitely do, like, an updated video just so everybody can see how they work with different bags and how they work with my toiletries as well, because I'm really excited I was able to get these pieces. So that's the unboxing and reveal of my brand new Louis Vuitton Kirigami set. I'm so happy I was able to add these to my collection, and I really hope everybody is doing well. I hope everybody is happy. I hope everybody is safe, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!